What's up, weirdos? If you are new here, hey, I'm Marlakris. I'm not going to be talking through this manicure. We're going to do a dip with me style video where I'm going to talk about other nonsense while you watch me do a manicure. If you have never seen my channel before and you want to know how to do dip nails at home, if you want a very step-by-step tutorial, I'll leave that up in the cards for you. But I got some stuff I need to talk about. And y'all are going to have to listen. I mean, if you want to. You don't have to. But I'd like it if you did. And you can hit that thumbs up, because that actually really helps out my channel. So we're going to talk about being an influencer and being paid for promotion. I know it's a taboo topic. It's awkward. It's uncomfortable. People don't want to talk about it. I'm going to talk about it because I think it's very, very important that people know what is right, what is wrong, what is normal, air quotes, normal, and what is flat out unacceptable. We're going to get into it right now. So the first thing I want to talk about, if you are in my Facebook group and you know about what I'm talking about, if you know, you know. If you don't know, if you want to be in the Facebook group, I'll leave a link down below. The group is amazing. No one sells anything. It's a completely ad-free group. It's just a bunch of weirdos all doing nails, talking stuff, and just hanging out and having a good time together. Link is down below if you want to hop over. But if you did see what happened in my group, this is what we're talking about. I'm not going to go into specifics because while the specific incident happened with one company, this is not the first time I've seen it. Unfortunately, I have had my own personal experiences with this, and I have had so many messages from other influencers write me and ask me about their personal experiences very similar to this, and it pisses me off to no end. I am so tired of seeing it. You as an influencer, if you are an influencer, sorry, I should have specified, this is for influencers. If you're not an influencer or a creator on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or whatever, you don't have to watch this video. But if you are, or if you want to be an influencer, stick around because I have some important stuff coming. Anyway, I have influencers contact me and say, hey, yada yada company reached out to me. They want me to promote their products. And they're so excited. And I understand. It's a big deal, especially when you're new or small. When a company reaches out, it's super exciting and you get all giddy and flustered and you don't know what to do. I get it. I was there. I've been there. But the companies are requesting, not even requesting, they're demanding, requiring even, that the influencer purchase product, either to demo or to be reimbursed in some way, like an Amazon product. And it is not okay. Y'all, it is not okay. Influencers literally build business. We build businesses. We promote, we market, we help business grow. And it's a job. Whether you want to admit it or not, it is work. It is work to do all of this. And if you are doing work, I don't even care what country you're in, whether you're US, Canada, New Zealand, I don't care where you're located. If you're doing work, you ought to be getting paid for the job that you do. Now, how you get paid is a whole other rabbit hole. There are so many ways you can get paid being an influencer. If you are happy taking free product in exchange for promotion, marketing, all of that stuff, photographs, whatever, if you want free product, get you some free product and be happy with that. But if you want more than that, I myself, as an influencer, as a content creator on YouTube, and I've been doing this for 3 years on YouTube, I do take money to market and promote product. Why, do you ask? Because I'm one dip jar away from a Hoarders episode. I don't need any more product. I'm drowning in dip powder. I do donate a lot of stuff. I do. But I do have a lot of product. So it's not reasonable for me to accept free product in exchange for promotion. Does that mean I only do sponsored content? No. I don't. I don't do sponsored content all the time. I'm not doing it right now. I'm using Revel products. I'll leave info down in the box for the colors I'm using and stuff, but I'm not being paid by Revel to do this video. I do non-sponsored content. I do a lot of it. I try to keep a 50-50 mix on my channel, more so like 70-30, I guess, between my own content that I want to do just for the heck of it and sponsored content. And I'm sure you're asking, Why are you getting paid to make YouTube videos? And that's a great question. Leave a comment down below and weigh in on this. I would love to hear y'all's opinion about it from a non-creator standpoint and from an influencer standpoint. But here's the thing. There's a lot that comes along with making these videos. The time it takes to film the manicure, of course, although I don't really even consider that as part of the job because I would do that anyway. But then there's editing, uploading, comments, messages, DMs, Instagram, all the things. It's a lot of work. It's work that I love doing. It's very fulfilling to me to do this job, but it is work. And because I do have a certain amount of influence, I can charge money for this, and people pay me. I didn't think people would pay me when I first started doing this. I said, no way, who am I? I'm nobody. But people do pay me. And you know what? If it weren't for the companies that sponsor my content, I'd have to get a real job. And then I couldn't do this full time and I couldn't do this as often. So I'm incredibly grateful to the companies that do support my channel and do show that level of respect for the work that I do. Because without them, I wouldn't be able to do this. Not to mention without you guys. You are what got me to where I am. So for that, I will be eternally grateful and love you guys with my whole entire heart. I never in my wildest dreams thought that I would be doing this full time. I have a whole bachelor's degree. I went to college. Am I going to use the degree? I don't know. Maybe at some point. It's like my backup plan now. But I love doing what I do. Even on the days where I have to talk about this crap. And I hope you guys know that you and the love that I have for you is why I make videos like this, because I want to make sure my people aren't taken advantage of by somebody else. That is it. Well, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I hope you guys have a day that's as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.